Hello, everyone, and welcome to watch this new world. Okay, in this new world, I need to make a comparison between human and animals communication and explain the difference in functions, purpose, feedback, ways of transmitting information. Okay, let's start with my first slide. Okay, please stop. Okay. Um, Human and animal communications. What are the relationship between these two kind of communication? Okay, uh, humans and animal communication are both forms of interspecies communication, but the real thing is that they differ in a lot of aspects, such as the complexity of the message, uh, the generative capacity of the communications, and many others. Okay, let's explain some details about what is human communication. Okay, human communication is a system of symbols and rules. Uh, with this language we can make complex and creative ideas, and also think about abstract ideas. Okay, the language of human is a cognitive and social phenomenon that involves both innate and learned components. um, mm, Human communication have this characteristic that 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 I mentioned. Okay, like arbitrariness, productivity, displacement, and duality of patterning. Okay, let's explain some details uh, about human communication. Pardon, sorry, about animal communication. Animal communication, uh, they they produce communication by making signal cues such as sounds, gesture, body language, and chemical substance. Some of the functions that are of animals: uh, mating, marking the territory, predate, predation, cooperation, and social bonding. Okay, um, the behavior of the animals, it is more developed in in a, in a ecological phenomenon, or I mean in the nature, that that is where the animals live. Okay, let's continue. Okay, we have about this characteristic. Okay, functions. Okay, contrasting about functions in the language. Okay, many human has many functions such as thinking, answer, explaining, relationship, and information. Okay, what this concept says is that when a person or when the people talk, they transmit information. The communication is between one, the sender, or the receiver, or it can be vice versa. Okay, what about the animals? The animals have simpler functions such as expressing needs, emotion, and warnings. For example, if a dog in your house, uh, uh, they detect um, an, a normal person, or that suspicious person, they react by barking. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, listo. Let's continue with my next slide. That it is um, contrasting about purpose. Okay, human communication intends to convey complex and abstract ideas, as well as influence, persuade, or entertain others. Okay, okay. Think about politicians. What make politicians when they when they need to concentrate the effort in growing the number of followers? They they prepare a speech, and then people come. The people add to the to the parties or to the movements of that politician. Okay, what about animals? Animal communication intends to convey concrete and immediate situation as well as coordinate, cooperate, or compete with others. Okay, as we notice, when animals try to catch or obtain the or obtain the meal of every day, they work together as a group, as a team to capture the meal of every day, or the food of every day. Okay, let's continue. What about the feedback? Okay, in human communication, we receive feedback. Okay, I mean that when a person, when a people transmit a message, the receiver express or give the message to the who give the message. Okay, but in animal communications there is no feedback, but it is usual, or sometimes usually it is more direct or immediate, and it can indicate acceptance, rejection, submission, or aggression. Okay, listo. What about the ways of transmitting information? We know that a human can read an email, they can talk, they can write, they can communicate with other person by making a gesture, by speaking a words, etc. What about the animal communications? Animal communication uses signals, which are a unit of communication that convey meaning. Signals can be chemical, auditory, visual, or tactile. As we know that, for example, a whale, when he's sailing in the water, they transmit or they make echoes to communicate with others, magma, with other species. Okay, what about generativity? Okay, generativity means that a person can create about a certain thing more and more things, because humans are creative. Okay, what about animals? Animal communicate is not generative, which means that animals can only produce and comprehend fixed number of signals that are tied to a specific context and meaning. Okay, and for the last, we have this comparison about displacement. Okay, a person can make can talk about the present, future, and the past, but the humans they cannot communicate in these three times. Okay, can only communicate things that are here and now, such as the current state of hunger, danger, and mating. And what about duality? Duality of patronage means that people can combine, can mix about signals, about gestures, and about words or writing. The communication is mixed, but we have in the other side that animal communication does not have duality of paternity, which means that animal signals have only one level of structure. Okay, listo. Okay, thank you to watch this new video. Goodbye.